The Oura Ring 3 did a great job upgrading the data record of the Generation 2, which implies that consumers will have access to more precise data metrics. However, although the third generation maintained the price of its predecessor, Oura has a subtle way of charging you more for the device in the long run. In today's video, we will give an in-depth review of the Oura Ring 3, giving you all of its advantages and disadvantages.
Hey everybody, come on!
Design. The Oura Ring is made of lightweight titanium with a PVD coating, and the seamless inner molding of your ring is non-allergenic and non-metallic, says Oura Support. This is excellent since you don't want to buy a ring that your skin may start reacting to because you will be wearing it for a long time. The Oura Ring weighs between 4 and 6 grams, depending on the size that fits your finger. It does come in 8 different sizes, and you must use the sizing kit that will be sent to you as part of the ordering process to determine which one best fits you. Depending on your desire, the Oura Ring is available in 4 colors: black, silver, gold, and stealth. However, remember that choosing the stealth or gold color will cost you an additional $100. Speaking of costs, we will be discussing more about Oura's new monthly subscriptions later in this video. Keep watching to find out more. The Oura Ring is waterproof up to 100 meters and offers additional protection against soaps, oils, and other substances the ring may come into contact with while it is on your finger.
It's exactly what we want.
Health features. An active heart rate monitor was included with the Oura Ring 3. Additionally, it included a total of 7 temperature sensors for monitoring body temperature, as well as period tracking for women's health, allowing them to monitor their cycle. As usual, you will still have your calories burned, steps, sleep, and readiness scores. The readiness scores, based on your sleep and activity scores, forecast how prepared your body is to engage in any activities. Additionally, it has a rest mode feature that enables you to unwind while still achieving your fitness goals when an abnormal temperature rise is detected, which could be a sign of an illness. Additionally, you have the choice to switch it on whenever you feel the need to manually. The sleep score is determined by the stage of sleep you spent the most time in, and your sleep data are divided into deep, light, and REM sleep. For instance, your sleep score will be greater if you spend more time in REM and deep sleep. Approximately 30 activities can also be detected by the Oura Ring as soon as you begin them, and you can even manually enter an activity into the app. How long will your Oura last if you use it for all of these things? Keep watching to find out more. If you love receiving frequent information on health tracking wearables like this, remember to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of our timely updates.
Now this is very cool.
Getting access to your data? You can access your data by downloading Oura's accompanying app, which is both compatible with iOS and Android phones. Among a number of fitness trackers, Oura seems to be the ultimate when it comes to in-depth data metrics. The readiness score is Oura's ultimate calculation of your body's wellness and is predicted based on your activity and sleep scores. Oura also offers advice on whether you are fit for a lot of activities or if you should rather rest on a particular day.
Wait.
Battery life. The Oura Ring can compete with the longest-lasting fitness trackers like Garmin and the most recent Fitbit because it can last for around 4 to 7 days and can be fully charged in about an hour. A white light on the ring's wireless base indicates that it is charging, and when it is finished, a notice is delivered to your phone. Price. The Oura Ring costs $299, but after 6 months of free membership, you will need a monthly subscription to access all your health data.
We now have to pay $6 a month to access the insights and features that Oura Ring 1 and 2 uses.
This is bothersome because it prevents you from accessing anything more but your sleep score, activity score, and readiness score without it. The subscription allows you to access Oura's library of fitness modes. Without the subscription, you will only have your scores without any deeper data, which means you will have no access to HRV, heart rate, body temperature, sleep stages, step count, or activity tracking. So you need to pay extra fees to see the basic data you bought the ring to provide. Aura, however, decided to show some loyalty to its existing users by allowing all previous Aura users who decided to upgrade by November 29, 2021, to have a free lifetime membership. Do you think it's okay for Aura to honor its old customers and ask all new customers to pay a monthly subscription? Tell us in the comment section. We will be glad to know what you think. If you're curious about how the Aura Ring works and are new to it, then you should definitely check out our next video, Features of Aura Ring Explained. Is it worth the hype? To get more insight into how the Aura Ring really works, we will see you in the next video.